My name's Christina Bowman, and I've been with Maids for 14 years. I describe myself as caring, compassionate, and reliable. The job, when I first started with Maids, is not what I expected. When I think of cleaning homes, I thought of when I clean my own home. But when you come to Maids, you're cleaning more than one home. You're constantly moving. It's very physical. You're doing a lot of bending and twisting. We just typically don't do on a day-to-day basis. So it was a lot harder than what I expected. When you first start with Maids, you're very sore, you're tired because of how physically demanding it is, but you gain that stamina over time. When you start with Maids, you don't need to know how to clean. There's training that's provided. Initially, you're going through 2 to 3 weeks of training out in the field with a trainer. After that, you do get partnered up or you do work independently in a home, but the training that Maids has is continuous and ongoing for everybody. There's no typical day at Maids. We have a daily huddle with our manager. Then we get our assignments for the day and we go out to our homes. It can be anywhere from 1 to 3 homes that I clean on any given day. We have times of the year, though, that we're busier, around the holidays. Time in the home does vary. Some homes do take longer than others based off of the size and also the condition, but also the speed that you work at. Even though you're following the steps of the Maids process, you kind of get into a groove of the movements you're taking through a room and through a home, that your speed just picks up over time. We are expected to clean everything unless it's notated on a report differently. When we dust, we pick items up, we get underneath the items. Even if it's a formal family room that they haven't used for 2 weeks and you can still see your vacuum lines, we still clean it, we still dust it, we still vacuum it. I use my personal vehicle to get from house to house, and Maids reimburses me for my mileage. It does vary, but on average you're probably doing between 30 to 50 miles a day. Each person that works for Maids wears a uniform that's provided by Maids. Maids supplies the vacuum cleaners, the cleaning products to do the job properly. Being part of Maids, we do not have to find our own customers. They're assigned to us as employees. At Maids, our customers are home probably half the time, if not a little bit less. Some will stay home the entire time, some will leave when we arrive. The best part is the interaction with customers, the relationships that I build with fellow team members, customers, and then knowing that I've helped somebody out for the day. When I started with the company, I started as a team member, moved into the team captain role, and then now a solo cleaner. Honestly, I thought I would be with Maids temporarily. I didn't expect to be here 14 years later and continuing to come in each day and enjoy my job.